Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video, guys. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and here's another very useful tip for you all. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set when the phone will be locked after the phone screen turns off. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for the phone screen to time out. Okay, so by default, it's set to lock immediately as soon as the phone screen times out. So as you can see, when I wake up the screen here, I need to enter my PIN code. However, you can actually change this so that when it does time out, you don't need to enter the PIN code each time. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So all you have to do is just pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says lock screen. Select it, then select secure lock settings, and you will need to enter your PIN code. And then here at the top, select auto lock when screen turns off. And it just explains, set when the phone will be locked after the screen turns off, except when smart lock is keeping it unlocked. So by default, it's set to immediately. However, you can change it to 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 30 minutes. Okay, so let's just change it to 1 minute. And now when I go back to the home screen there, I'm just going to wait for the display to time out. Okay, so it's timed out. So now when I press the button on the side there, I don't need to enter the password. It just lets me straight into the phone. So I'll show you that one more time real quick. As you can see, I'm straight in. I don't need to enter the password. However, if you press the button on the side and then wake it back up, you will need to enter the PIN code. So do bear that in mind. This only works when the display times out by itself. Okay, guys, so I hope this video helped you out. It's a very useful tip, I would say. It just saves you having to enter the password each time the display times out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one, guys. Deuces.